morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update. And this is for Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2019. I feel so strange saying 4th of December. And it's right now just after 9:25 a.m. Central Time. Big update in the stock market. What's going on? Well, the market's rethinking. And the market is saying maybe this was just the bluster once again as the bull in the china shop. President Trump goes to NATO, takes on the world, takes on China, leaves, and then behind the scenes, better things are occurring. It seems to be the mannerism that he has, and the market rethinking that. Market's also rethinking today what's going on in OPEC, because we're now hearing that maybe there could be production cuts. Instead of waiting for April, the market is talking that maybe they could put out another 400,000 to 600,000 barrels a day of cuts. We know that the Saudis have been cutting more than their share. Now the question is, what else can they get done? Because Saudi Aramco is right around the corner. They want a strong valuation. And what they want to see are prices in the Brent over the $60 barrel area. Some think that if they can get this other set of cuts in now, that you could jump another $3, $4 a barrel from even here. Let me stay while I'm there. Bonds and notes selling off after the news. I don't expect much in the grains. You know, this is the time of year where grains don't see a lot of farmers selling, so you keep that in the back of your mind. Why would you sell if you haven't sold already this year on December 4th when you'd have to pay taxes come April, and if you wait till after January, you don't pay in April, you pay a year from April. So it just makes good marketing sense. Metal markets backing off, especially the silver on that news, and you can see the copper getting a very strong bid. If you get my evening update, I had written about this before any of this happened, and I said, folks, don't buy into the story. There's no way to know. You've got two events coming up. You've got the December 15th, and they could even say they're making progress and extend, and I would think the president's going to try to get a gift to the American public by Christmas. I'm in that camp. Doesn't mean I'm right. Dollar a bit lower on the news as well as we look at everything. If we take a look at the economic data of the day, the ISM non-manufacturing headline came out mixed. The composite itself, 53.9, the expected 54.5. Activity, business activity at 51.6, way down from last month's 57. But all the other categories, manufacturing prices, new orders, and employment, were all stronger numbers. That's why it's mixed. If you look at the U.S. service sector PMI, came in just as the market prelim was at 51.6 versus that early estimate. The ADP headline payrolls, they expected 150, they only got 67,000, and if they revised last month's down a little. So there's a bit of slowing there. You know, that isn't the strongest number, and we've got to remember in November, we got the jobs data coming up very shortly here, they're probably going to see an increase because GM workers went back to work. The mortgage index, if you take a look at these, they were down pretty hard in two categories. The index itself, the week ended last week, down 9.2%, and the refi index was down 15.6%. But I think you get a bit slower at this time of the year anyways. Then we go to the November UK service sector PMI, came in at 49.3. That's better than the expectation of 48.6. Germany's number came in on the PMI at 51.7 versus a 51.3 expectation, and Eurozone came in better at 51.9 versus the 51.5. So what we're all going to be looking at is, can we get anything done with this? We know that today the Judiciary Committee's meeting, it's all over TV, people will be glued to it, but they're not going to get the same headlines out of that than they did on the other inquiry, because that was where the explosiveness all occurred. It is Cyber Week as far as I'm concerned. I was out of the office, couldn't get the regular sale going, so I'm calling this Cyber Week. And let me tell you what I'm doing. If you buy 1-year subscription to any of my research products, that's the videos only, you want to buy the commentary only, or you want to be a subscriber to the full research package. Number one, on a yearly basis, we reduce it by quite a bit. So it's all on our website. But I'm going to input with it, and I've never done this, free, my charting course. The charting course value is $179.95. That's what we sell it for on the website. It is going to be free to you. It's 54 videos. It's about 5 to 6 hours worth of videos. You see what I do, then you do the same thing. Then in the morning, I walk you right into your morning subscriber video, and then you get the other commentary parts of that to help you understand what is going on. So if you think about it, you get the discount on the research, you get this thrown in, $179.95 value for that, put right into it, and you're set up for the next year. I think it's a pretty good cyber week. So how do you get involved in all this? It's simple. You can either call my staff. Another way to go about this is pretty simple. You can also just, at any point, go to www.iraepstein.com. If you want to see the research packages, go under the word research. It'll explain it. If you want to find out more about the course, go under education. It explains it all. But it's yours free, gives you a way to work with it. You can extend the course if you need more time. We work with you on that too. How do you work with this? Either call us, go to our website, take advantage of it. It's 1 week sale. It's a pretty good deal. If you think about it, 1 year of the morning subscriber video is $156, and I'm adding to it $179.95 value. Not bad. You have a great day. I'll see you at the end of the day with my market wrap-ups. Good trading to you.